This video demonstrates Captions features. There are more ways how captions can be added. First, by importing .vtt or .srt captions files. Second, by automatic transcription for clip or media. Third, by using Recorder. And finally, captions can be created or modified manually. Captions appearance is edited in the Explorer panel. Texts in the Preview panel. And timing in the Timeline panel. Captions supports karaoke-like word timing. Past and future words appearance can be customized. And each word precisely timed.
Wide.video.